Brett. Oops, he's made a big mess and he's all out on the concrete and into the grass and yeah, had a bit of a moment there. He wanted to shake hands with the boys up the top. And Brett now coming through and records a time of 5:9.82, which actually was quite a good time considering he got himself into all sorts of trouble up through the pit complex. Has brought a little bit of rubbish back on the track, but everything looks to be okay up there right now. There's a death cat. VX Commodore car 107 is the car on the racetrack now. Still in class 31. You're not lost. You don't carry logbooks for these cars. You just turn up and basically nominate and turn up with these cars. Yeah, we've done. Coming out very quick back up the top here. Fair amount of understeers was turning half a hour, but so far so good. No major dramas there, no lock-ups of wheels, the car sitting relatively flat. Let's see what happens when he comes down to the no nicely. Steele's going to come down, but still the time in. That's a ripper. That's a ripper for time. 5:2.32.
That's pretty good for us.